Hello everyone, and in today's video we're gonna check out the new Canyon mouse, which is Puncher GM20. So we're gonna see the specs of this mouse, also my personal feeling about it. However, keep watching this video to see if this mouse is actually good or not. So the mouse comes with two variants, white and black. So first let's begin with the price. The price of this mouse is around €35, which is really low compared to the other gaming mouses. Okay, so what do I like about this mouse? First, it's lightweight, it weighs only 65 grams. Also, the other thing is its price. Just like I said, around €35, which is really low. Yeah, maybe it's a con that the whole body is made of plastic, but it feels really solid, trust me. Also, it has RGB obviously, and you can change it from under the mouse, and you can switch through the different modes. Also, the RGB on the white one is better, because the life of the button switches is around 10 million clicks, which is a lot. Probably you're gonna break it after 1 or 2 days playing Shadowlands if you play water, but it's okay because it's cheap. And the sensor in this mouse is Pixel 3360. You have 7 buttons that you can program if you want it. Also, the DPI you can choose from is 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000, 8000 and 12000. And you can switch your DPI right from the mouse. So after we cleared out the technical things, I think it's time to tell you about my personal feeling for this mouse. So I've been using it for around 5 days actually, and I've been playing Shadowlands with it, and I can say that I really like this mouse. First, because it fits very well in your hand. Also, it's lightweighted and my hand doesn't get tired. And when I put my hand right here, because of the spiderweb, my hand can breathe and my palm doesn't sweat. Which is good, because we are gamers, Shadowlands is out, and we're gonna probably play minimum 8 hours, because if you get disconnected you're done. But yeah, for this price you get a very nice looking mouse and also functional one. It fits very well in your hand, and I really like this mouse, to be honest. I'm completely honest with you, right now. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see another video about something, please type down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.